Hi guys, this is Tim Queen, and today we're going to talk about LinkedIn hiding likes and why I'm not worried about this at all. Now, before we get started, I want to talk about the two types of people who like stuff on LinkedIn or on other social media platforms. There's the first type who is liking stuff because everyone else is liking stuff. This is the person who always wants to be in the winning team. Like when their football team is losing, they switch sides. They want to feel like they're part of the group. They want to be involved. So when they see someone, a lot of people liking it, they will like it too. Not because they like it themselves, but because they feel the group has decided this is the right thing to do. And then there's the other type who is making up their own mind, and they're very selective about what they like. And they only like something if they are really convinced this is really the truth. We all heard that Instagram is running those experiments around the world. Last week they rolled it out in the US to hide likes on posts. And I believe actually this is a really good thing because this takes away this metrics for the first group. So they don't see it anymore. So they're kind of forced to like it only if they actually like it. So you're actually cleaning up the market and getting rid of all those people who just joined in because they felt this was the winning team. Because what you then get is you're getting actually people who are really engaged. Let's say even this action of Instagram would actually cut down the number of total likes. I actually am very happy about this because it's much more important for you as a business to get accurate measurements. What is it good if you get 10,000 likes because you trick people into liking you for whatever reason or by creating some random content, but those 10,000 likes are never going to buy anything? I much rather get 100 very laser focused targeted likes, and then I know I can run targeted ads on those people who follow my company page because they actually care. This makes it much more likely if I have 100 likes, or let's say 100 people subscribe to my Instagram channel because they really resonate with it, and I run ads to people who follow my page. I actually have to spend far less money on advertising because the group is already so laser focused. Let's say I get 100 people in one room who all love chocolate ice cream, and then I put a big jar of chocolate ice cream on the table. How many people do you think want to get some ice cream? Probably all of them. But what if I'm having a room of 80% vegetarians and I put a big steak on the plate? What's going to happen? First of all, like, the vegetarians are not going to eat it. Secondly, the meat eaters might not want to eat it because they might be worried what the vegetarians are thinking. So not getting any results. And you really want to focus about, like, what does it actually mean? Like, don't think about vanity metrics like, oh yeah, we got 10,000 likes. How much is a like actually worth? Likes, comments, shares mean nothing if they're coming from the wrong people. Think about it. It's really important. Get the focused likes and engagement from the right people. This is way more important. So I'm actually very happy that we don't see those likes anymore, because that will mean that people will not just like it because everyone else was liking it or because 10 of their friends were liking it. That means you can actually focus on creating actually content that is only attractive for a small subset of people, and you will get much better results. Now, if you want to learn more about this, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on to get email updates when I release my next video on social media marketing in 2020.